All right, what we're going to do today is learn a little bit about Photoshop and how it provides us the ability to restore old damaged photos. Each of you guys have had a chance to research an antique old photo. It can be in color or in black and white. The first thing I want you to do is make sure you File, Save As. So we're going to go to File, Save As, providing us with a new version on your computer. Always make sure you have a photo quality image. If you're not certain about the photo quality nature, go to image size. If it should be at least 300 resolution, or if it's around 8 by 10 at 300, that's ideal. First thing you're going to do is make sure it's right side up. A lot of times, if you are scanning a picture, it's either upside down or sideways. So you need to go to Image, Rotate Canvas if you need to rotate it. Yes, as a Photoshop file to begin with. We're going to rotate the image so it's right side up. So if you need to rotate it 180 degrees if it's upside down, or left or right 90 degrees. Also, one thing you may be aware of is a lot of times if you're using a flatbed scanner, sometimes your images are not exactly horizontal. So let me give you guys a tip. One of the first things we're going to do is crop an image, but I'm going to show you how to crop it so you get exactly a level image. So we're going to go over here to the eyedropper tool, and you'll see underneath the eyedropper, you'll see a ruler tool. Okay, the ruler tool allows us to measure and to create a straight line. So we're gonna use the ruler tool, and I'm gonna drag and drop along the edge of my image, not the paper necessarily, because the paper may be crooked or broken, but the actual image itself. So I'm gonna do a left click and just drag it along this line. All right. What that's gonna do is it's gonna tell the computer if there's an obscure angle that my image was scanned at. All right, so it actually was a little bit crooked. So what I'm going to do after I've drawn my line, I'm going to go to Image, Rotate Canvas, Arbitrary. Okay, Image, Rotate Canvas, Arbitrary. And if you can see, it's actually crooked by ½ a degree. You know, you might say, well, what's the difference? What's a ½ a degree? Well, if you're working with a really large image, then that ½ a degree can make a difference between cropping off a corner or not. So I just straightened it. It's not a big deal. Okay, let's see if I can pause.